welcome to Marvida Community, checking out the Western Albany Model. Come on, take a look. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Excited to show you guys this home. When you walk in, it's a very spacious open floor plan. You can see through each side. Of course, the entryway is pretty grand here. And there is, of course, the dining room where you can fit a large size table for dining with your family. And of course, when you come in, we're here in the family room. Double high ceilings, tall fireplace, of course. And you have a wonderful kitchen with a breakfast area. You can't go wrong with all of the nice cabinets that the builders have put in. A huge, large size island that I love that you can use for baking. A breakfast area for having breakfast in the morning. The first room we're gonna go and take a look at now is the master, which is on the first floor. If you love a spacious master, that actually have bay windows here, large king size bed for you to enjoy and have a wonderful night's sleep. Then we're gonna come into the grand master bathroom that has his and her sink, a great soaking tub, an extra large shower, and then the recessed ceiling for you to enjoy. When you leave the master, we're gonna go into this really large closet for you to put all of your wonderful clothes. As we leave the closet, we're gonna go into the washroom, which is connected for you to put your dirty clothes in. And then on the first floor as well, we have a half bathroom for all of your guests to enjoy. We're gonna go upstairs here. When you come upstairs, you enter into the game room, of course. If you're looking for a home that will definitely let you entertain, you can definitely entertain here and have lots of fun. If you definitely are looking for a cozy night, we have a wonderful movie room for you to enjoy movies with family and friends. You can put your favorite movie on, Top Gun. When we leave the movie room, we're gonna go to our second bedroom, which is also a nice size. In this case, they made it a kid's room, a baby's room. Nice size, good floor plan for you to enjoy as well. It's a good sized bedroom. It has a full size bed, but of course it still has room for you to put in the king size bed as well. We're gonna leave the second bedroom and we're gonna talk about the bathroom that's upstairs. Love the countertops, quartz countertops designed for here. And then we're gonna go to our fourth bedroom, which is actually a suite in itself. It can be used for an older child, or it can be used for a family member who wants their own bathroom and bedroom. Here you have a bathroom that's separate, a toilet and a shower. This suite can be enjoyed by anyone or even your guests, okay? As we wrap up this tour, of course, just want you to know, if you're interested in this Albany plan by Western, definitely the double high ceilings, the rotunda, it's a beautiful floor plan. Definitely give